Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Today I share with you how to make the Nigerian Moimoi. We all know that Moimoi has 4 steps. We have the washing part, we have the blending part, the tying part, and the cooking stage. So let's jump into the stage 1. I've already washed and soaked the beans for 1 hour. This is just to allow the skin peel out quickly. To begin, we are going to wash and break the beans up using my Ninja food processor. Remember to use enough water to prevent the blender from blending the beans instead of breaking it up. You see, I don't allow the blender to complete the minutes on the timer. I just allowed it to roll for the first and the second time and I off it. You see, there are many ways to wash your beans. Some people use the mortar, some use blender, while some use hand to mash it. Whichever way you feel is very okay and comfortable for you, then you go for it. So me, I use blender, which is very okay for me, and you can see within 10 minutes I'm done washing the beans. I think the part of moi moi preparation that consumes time is the washing and peeling part and the cooking part. Aside this, you don't have any problem making your moi moi. So after washing the beans, I proceeded into transferring it into my blender and added some quantity of beans which I already have in my freezer. The blender cannot contain all the beans and the ingredients at once, so I'll be blending them in batches. So after reducing some quantity of beans, I went in with my red paprika, some onions, 2 eggs, little water and some vegetable oil, and finally with crayfish. So as you can see, the mama is already smooth. So I have to transfer it on another bowl and go in with the second one. So I did everything I did in the first one to the second one. But this time around, I added a little ginger and garlic. As you can see, I just added it now and finally we'll have everything blended. So we finally proceed to level 3, which is mixing and tying. So here I added some seasoning cubes, a little of black pepper because you all already know that the paprika is not so peppery, so I added a little salt to taste and I gave it a good mix. So mix it properly and begin to tie the moi moi. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please support me. Support me by liking and subscribing to my channel and also drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you. So I'll be introducing egg to each of the moi moi. Yeah, I know that nylon bag is not too healthy for moi moi, but that is what I have accessible here and yeah, I'm making use of it. So this is what the moi moi looks like after tying. So you see? So it is also good that you tie your momo in double nylon so that even if it bursts inside, it doesn't burst outside too. So after tying all the whole momo, I introduce more water and set it on my cooker. After 45 to 60 minutes, our moimo is ready. Our moimo is ready. So how to know if your mama is well cooked? I use this to pierce the moi moi, like go deep into it, and if you notice that there's no pieces of moi moi on the stick, then you know that it is already cooked. So finally, this is what we'll have. This moi moi is so yummy, so tasty, and so delicious, guys. So as you can see, this is the egg and everything is looking so nice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.